Hello friends, welcome to Vidence Academy. I am Pramila. Today we will going to read about Jane Genet. Was then not realizing the dreams of your youth would be to have been young and never dreamed at all. This is the quote given by Jane Genet. Jane Genet's time period is 1910 to 1986. Was a French novelist, playwright, poet, essayist and a political activist. So Jane Genet किए थिले फ्रेंच नॉवेलिस्ट थिले, प्लेराइट थिले, पोएट थिले, एसेइस्ट थिले आउ पॉलिटिकल एक्टिविस्ट थिले. In his early life, he was a vagabond and petty criminal, but he later became a writer and a playwright. Okay, so the early life रे सी गोटे vagabond थिले बा criminal थिले. माने जे एपट सेपट खाली बुली रमिंग करथि यार साडे बुलुथुवे सेमानको vagabond को जे बा क्रिमिनल थिले सी. बट लेटर से गोटे राइटर्स और प्लेराइट मध्य हेले. ओके, हिज मेजर वर्क्स इंक्लूड द नॉवेल्स द थीव्स जर्नल एंड आवर लेडी ऑफ द फ्लावर्स. ओके, हिज मेजर वर्क्स आर द थीव जर्नल्स, आवर लेडी ऑफ द फ्लावर्स एंड द प्ले होची द बाल्कनी, मेडस एंड द स्क्रीन. द बाल्कनी इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम हिज प्ले. ओके, and Meadows and the Screens. By 1949, Genet had completed 5 novels, 3 plays and numerous poems. So 1949 बेलू Genet कौन 5 novels, 3 plays मध्य लिखि सारथिले and numerous poems. से गोटे पोएट थिले तो numerous poet मध्य से लिखि सारथिले. Many controversial from their explicit and often deliberately provocating portrayals of homosexuality and criminality. Okay, so many controversial for their explicit and often deliberate provocation thila. Provocation ba portrayal of homosexuality ba criminality thila tango writings re. Between 1955 and 1961, Genet wrote 3 more plays as well as essay called What Remains of Rembrandt turned into 4 equal pieces and flushed down the toilet. Okay, so plays as well as the essay called essay nathla What Remains of a Rembrandt turned into 4 equal pieces and flushed down to the toilet. Okay, on which hanged Jacques Derrida analysis. So on which hanged Jacques Derrida's analysis of Genet in his seminal work Glass. Okay, in the seminal work of Jacques Derrida, we will find about that Jane Genet. We will see some of his novels and autobiography. That is Our Lady of the Flower. Okay, Our Lady of the Flower was published on 1942 to 1943. The Marshals of the Rouge was published on 1946 to 1951. Then Funeral Rites was published from 1947 to 1953. Then Querella of Brest was published from 1947 to 1953. The Thief's Journal was published on 1949. Then The Prisoners of Love was published on 1986. Next we will see some of his drama, that is Death Wretch, The Maiders, The Balcony, The Blacks and The Screen. Okay, The Balcony is very much important. Please go through this one. Note. We will see some, I have prescribed here the note, that is 2 of Genet's poem. The Man Sentenced to Death and The Fisherman of the Secret were adapted and respectively The Man Condemned to Death and The Thief at the Night, and set to a music for the album Fasting with Panther. Okay, it's set as a music to the album, that is Fasting with Panthers. It released in 2011 by Meg Almond and Michael Cashmore, and both poems were adapted and translated by dita jaga poem kono adapted and translated hitla Jeremy Reed ko dwara. So It is very much important. This note also you have to remember this one, and I have highlighted his important novels and drama and his writings. If you have any kind of doubt regarding J.N. Jennett, you can ask me or message me also. Thank you for the class.